Florida's coastlines hold secrets older than history itself, where sands whisper tales of pirates, mermaids, and civil rights pioneers. Today we're counting down the 8 most unusual beaches in the Sunshine State, where mystery and beauty collide. Ready to uncover hidden treasures? At number 8, discover Flagler Beach, a hidden gem where coquina sands glow like cinnamon and high-rises are nowhere in sight. Fish from the historic pier or hunt for sea glass along its quiet shores. This is old Florida at its purest, untouched and timeless. Number 7 takes us to Casperson Beach, where millions of shark teeth wash ashore year-round. Skip the crowds and head south. Locals know the best treasures hide in shell piles left by tides. After your hunt, dine at Sharky's on the pier and toast to your prehistoric loot. Ranking 6th, Kaladaisi Island rewards the adventurous. Accessible only by boat, this untouched haven offers trails through maritime forests and waters so clear, you'll spot dolphins dancing in your wake. Pack a picnic, you'll want to stay all day. At number 5, Blowing Rocks Preserve astounds. Florida's largest limestone shoreline erupts in saltwater spectacles during high tide. Wander mangrove trails or visit the Hawley Environmental Center to decode this geological marvel. Number 4 plunges us into Weeki Wachee Springs, where live mermaids have enchanted visitors since 1947. Dive into 72-degree waters or paddle past manatees in this surreal spring-fed oasis. Don't miss the Vintage Mermaid Show, it's pure retro Florida charm. Coming in at 3, Devil's Den is a window to the past. This underground spring, named for its steam rising like smoke, hides ancient fossils and 72-degree waters perfect for snorkeling. Feel the chill of history in this 10,000-year-old time capsule. At number 2, Butler Beach tells a story of resilience. Founded by Frank Butler in 1927, it was once the only beach African Americans could safely enjoy. Walk the same sands where civil rights leaders like MLK strategized, then explore the Accord Freedom Trail. And our number 1 wonder, Dry Tortugas. 70 miles from Key West, this fortress in the sea guards shipwrecks and sapphire waters. Camp under the stars, snorkel vibrant reefs, or ponder the mysteries of unfinished Fort Jefferson. Adventure doesn't get wilder than this. Florida's beaches are more than sun and sand. They're gateways to stories waiting to be lived. Which will you explore first? Subscribe for more hidden journeys, and let the Sunshine State surprise you.